Hey, the audio probably won't be great. I'm on my laptop, I'm traveling. I went out to Ride Rock Creek, met up with Walker and Russ, and we did some laps on what we think is going to be the national Cat2, Cat3 track. I hope you enjoy the video. It's just a raw clip of us riding. I switched up my lines quite a bit throughout the day, but this should give you a little early preview. There's a fun, rough cut dirt section at the end. Hope you enjoy.
Nice. Woo! I'm gonna fight for the high line. Ah! I fought for it. Woo! Nice. I'm gonna try to go high. Oh, sucked low. Ah, the lomer push. Yeah, the motorway, the motorcycle motorway. Slow and dusty. Slapper right there. That is not ready for prime time yet. Closing my eyes, it's so dusty. Chunky, monkey, punky. Oh! Phew! GoPro, stop recording. Ooh. Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, thanks, man.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No, you're fine.
I didn't think other people were gonna be riding. I'll go outside.